Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend a tax return in TurboTax. So, all you have to do is head over to TurboTax and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. So, from here, we're just going to click on a random button to proceed on our homepage. So, once in your homepage, in the left panel, just scroll down, then click on Tax Tools. Then scroll down, then click on Tools. So from here, we're just going to search a topic. Just click on Topic Search. And in the search bar, we're just going to search for Amend. Click on Amend, then proceed by clicking on Go. So from here, you will be asked, why are you amending? We're just going to select Changing Other Info on our return, then proceed by clicking on Continue. Proceed once again. You will then be redirected to your amended federal return and you can start editing or processing each information by clicking on the Start button, confirming that all the details are correct. Then once done, you can proceed by clicking on Review and Sign. Just enter in your full name, and if you are filing jointly with your spouse, and of course, sign date. Then once done, just head over and click on agree. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.